Hello and welcome back to TK's Bar. I'm your host Tessa and today we're going to be making a Clover Club. Next, what is in a Clover Club? So I'm really excited about this because I've never tried this drink before and that's what this channel is about, trying new drinks, trying new stuff, so hopefully it's good. But a Clover Club is a gin-based cocktail that also has dry vermouth, simple syrup, raspberries, and lemon juice and an egg white. So it's a fair bit of ingredients and I don't expect anyone to be making these at home if you don't have all the ingredients, and especially because maybe it's not the right time to be experimenting with new cocktails, but today I have the opportunity of making this cocktail and hopefully you enjoy at least watching it. If you have these ingredients on hand, then by all means, I'd love for you to try this as well. We'll see if it's good or not. I think it's gonna be good, but who knows? So first we'll start by introducing our ingredients like normal. The first ingredient, like I said, this is a gin-based cocktail. So we're using almost dropped it there. We're using my favorite gin, which is my Victoria Premium Gin. I will start to use other gins, just right now I don't feel like going to the liquor store during this whole situation, so you probably won't see a lot of those until it starts to lighten up. Next, we're gonna be using our dry vermouth. This is just our martini vermouth, just a dry vermouth. Whatever dry vermouth you can find, you can use. Then we're gonna be using our simple syrup. Again, this is just a 1-to-1 simple syrup. You can find the information on how to make it in my highlights on my TK's Bar Instagram if you're curious. Otherwise, if you already have store-bought simple syrup, whatever you have works. Then we're gonna be using our lemon juice. This is fresh squeezed lemon juice. If you only have store-bought, again, like I've just said 3 times, anything you have works. Perfect. Then our last 2 ingredients are gonna be our raspberries, and then I've already taken the egg white out of the egg, so the second ingredient is gonna be our egg white. Perfect. Now that you guys all know the ingredients, we're gonna start making the drink. So into our shaker today, we're gonna start with a 1.5 ounce pour of our gin. Then we're gonna be doing 1/2 ounce of our dry vermouth. Then on to 1/2 ounce of our simple syrup. And then 1/2 ounce of our lemon juice. Then we're gonna be throwing in 3 to 4 raspberries. I always like to do the bigger number because I like things sweeter, especially when it comes to fruit. But again, if you've only got 3, then use those 3. And then finish off with our egg white. So we're just gonna muddle these in. Perfect, now we've got our ice in our shaker and we're just gonna throw the lid on and give that a quick shake. Awesome, and then we're gonna double strain this into our glass. So the glass we're using today is again a coupe, but you could use whatever glass you want, but this is the one that it calls for, so this is the one we're using today. Perfect, then to garnish this, we could do a couple things because we use lemon juice, so you could put a lemon on it, or you could just put a couple raspberries on it. I think that's what I'm gonna do today, is just throw a couple raspberries on there, and then I'm gonna do a little sprinkle of sugar over the raspberries. So, 1 second. So I've got raspberries in this hand, sugar in this hand. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit over top. Don't worry, I'll clean up the sugar afterwards. Just so they look all nice and frosted. See. And then I'm just gonna throw that on top of our drink. And there we go. This is our Clover Club. Awesome, and the last thing we obviously have to do with this drink is we're gonna have to take a taste. So I'm gonna take a little taste on the side here. I like that. I didn't know if I was gonna like it or not because dry vermouth isn't necessarily my thing, but that's really nice. It's very well-rounded. It doesn't taste super alcohol forward. You can kind of still taste that raspberry in there, If there was one thing, obviously I would bump up the sugar content a little bit. I would actually probably put a couple more raspberries in there too, just because I like stuff really sweet, but this is a really nice drink if you're not looking for that super duper sweet aspect. I don't think this drink is meant to be super sweet that maybe I would like, but it definitely is a nice, well-rounded drink, and I really like it, so I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this drink. If you enjoyed watching it, or if you made it at home, I'd love to hear it in the comments below. Also, if you enjoy this channel and the videos that I make sure to subscribe and give it a like, and even turn on the bell if you want. I'm gonna be coming out with more content soon, so stay tuned. Bye!